motive behind following a skincare regime religiously is to revolutionize the way our skin looks and feels. We all have a bunch of products that have been sitting in our bathroom ever since we bought them, but are always confused about how to use them, what's the right order to apply them, and all of that. Toners, serums, moisturizers, ampules simply feel like pieces of puzzles, and to maximize the benefits of these products, it's absolutely essential to apply them in the correct order. So today, I'm going to show you the right way to use the products more effectively. Cleansing your face is very important, as this will allow your pores to breathe and absorb your toners and serums much more effectively. Use a gentle cleanser during the day and switch to double cleansing at night. Your night cleansing routine should always start with breaking down your makeup with a face oil or an oil-based cleanser, which, by the way, is the most nourishing way to remove your makeup. Or you can just use a makeup remover of your choice. Follow up with a mild face wash to make sure your skin is clean and free of dirt and makeup. If you have an acne-prone, oily or dry skin, I suggest you opt for cleansers specific to your skin type so that your skin is cleansed thoroughly without actually getting damaged. The very first thing you apply after cleansing your skin thoroughly is a toner. Cleansing opens up the pores, and so applying toners will not only tighten the pores but also remove any impurities left after cleansing and balance the oils of your skin. Its watery consistency gets easily absorbed into the skin, instantly reviving it. But it's important to use one that is specific to your skin type. The best way to use a toner is to take some on your hands and gently press it all over your skin and let it sink in. You should ideally apply your spot treatments at night, because that's exactly when our skin is working super hard to revive itself and boost cell regeneration. So if you have a sudden breakout and want to spot treat it, the right way to deal with it is by applying the medication or the ointment immediately after using a toner, so that it can get absorbed into your skin and start working its magic. Serums are essentially just shots of extremely concentrated nutrients, hydrators, and antioxidants that penetrate deep into your skin. You can actually even pick 2 to 3 serums to help you target specific skincare issues like wrinkles, dry skin, redness, etc. The formula contains bioactive ingredients and is made of smaller molecules that gets absorbed quickly and is super lightweight. Vitamin C serums are the most common ones that work on pigmentation and hydrating your skin. If you're above 30 years old, using hyaluronic infused serums over your everyday serum is also a must. People often neglect serums and skip adding them in their everyday routines. But I honestly think that they are the actual heavy lifters amongst all the skincare products. The skin around our eyes is very delicate and often is the first one to reflect signs of aging. Eye creams help target some of these concerns, such as dark circles, crow's feet, and even puffiness. Eye creams are thinner and lighter than our face creams and hence should be applied before we go in with a moisturizer, as this may help with the better absorption of the product. They depuff and give your eyes that extra boost of hydration, making you look fresh and well rested overnight. Everyone needs a moisturizer, no matter what your skin type is. Your moisturizer not only does the job of hydrating your skin, but also helps trap in all the products underneath it to make sure the ingredients are even more effective. Make sure that you leave the areas where you've used spot treatment so that the ingredients of both the products don't end up interfering with each other. Please use separate day and night creams for best results. Now, if you're done with these steps, you're done with your night skincare regime. For the day, you're still left with some sunscreen to apply. Remember, this is the most important step, as it will protect your skin from the harmful UV rays and will also act as a protective barrier against dust and pollution. But wait for a full 5 minutes before you apply your sunscreen. During night time, simply switch this step up by adding a lip balm, as your lips have thin skin too and need constant hydration. Our skin is beautifully engineered but needs a lot of care, maintenance and discipline on a regular basis to keep it glowing and healthy. So memorize these steps and learn this routine to maintain gorgeous skin at all times. I'm Ragini saying goodbye, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.